Rory, welcome to the channel. Welcome to the channel.
Thank you for having me.
Guess what we're doing today?
Please tell me we're doing a QX80.
You know what? You're right. Because
autograph trim?
It is the autograph trim.
Top of the line.
We're gonna go for a ride.
I love it.
All right, cool. Let's hop in.
I love this part.
I love your enthusiasm. So you walk up, doors open. Your side unlocked? No? Sorry about that. There you go, Rory. Come on in. Hey, look, Mansoor's here, our sales manager. Hey.
Hello, Mansoor. What's for lunch?
Get in the car, Rory. There we go. So, before we start, I guess we'll look around it, right? Because we got the other DJI camera set up, and it's a nice way to see the autograph interior. Rory, you want to tell us a little bit about it?
Chris, we don't have enough time for me to discuss the car.
Valid point. But you can see here the autograph. You get the iPad in the center. It's not. I call it an iPad. It's not really an iPad. But what do you know what it does for you?
Doesn't that control the seats and control the heat and
ventilate? Yeah, exactly.
So I thought.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. You still have your air condition, cup holders, big sunroof, quilted leather in the back that also massages.
The second row, correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah.
Doesn't have ventilated and heated seats?
And heated and massaging.
Oh, and massage too?
In the autograph on the second row.
I'm going the second row.
I know. You want to hang back there? It's up to you, man. It's a nice ride back there.
I want to be chauffeured.
Yeah.
And the third row is just heated seats, correct?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Air-conditioned vents, all three rows, which is obviously we saw in the 2022 QX60. This one has the Klipsch audio, so we have the speakers in the headrest for navigation purposes and phone calls. And then, yeah, you ready to go?
I just one more thing I want to show you.
What?
I love my cooler.
I know, you have a cooler box.
Where's the drinks?
I know, we need some drinks in here.
Yeah, not after the
yeah,
drinks.
exactly, you know.
Yeah.
All right, let's start it up. You guys can see the startup sequence.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, I know. Look at this beautiful screen all the way across. Pretty cool.
I think it's beautiful.
Yeah.
I think it's absolutely beautiful. I'm thoroughly impressed with this vehicle.
I am as well.
You know what I really like about this vehicle?
What?
And you're going to point it out to me.
Okay.
When we're driving. I love the 450 horsepower. Look at this pickup. Feel this pickup.
For a car that big, I mean, it's fun. And I love that growl. It sounds good. But you got your real wood here. Alcantara everywhere. So rich. You got your digital video rear view. Materials all feel good. They're all leather. Very quickly. I'll figure it out eventually. Yeah, let's just go down Glendale. Rory, how was your day off? It was good?
I enjoyed it. Played golf yesterday.
Nice. How'd you shoot?
93.
Oof. I don't know. Is that good?
No.
Okay. But you had fun.
I enjoyed it. Weather was on our side.
You had fun.
How was your days off?
That was nice.
That's it, Chris. You're the first one with red light.
That's such a Glendale thing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Someone on my last point of view video with the Q60 in the canyons, they said, why are you driving it like that? You should drive like you're actually in Glendale.
That's funny.
I said, I'm trying to break the stereotype, but...
That's funny.
Do you think we'll be able to get the full hands-free ProPILOT to work?
I think so.
Yeah. Oh, it's blue! Oh, it's blue!
Okay. Now, signal left. See what happens. Signal left.
And then hands on wheel.
Why hand on wheel?
Oh, it's turning though!
That's what I'm saying. Why hands on wheel?
I wanted hands on wheel.
How fast are you going?
52.
No, go faster. You can trace it.
Alright, it turned blue though.
Yeah. Let's go faster.
It's blue, baby. How do I...
We did it.
We did it. Super Cruise, baby. Hands free. Hands free. Hands free. Yeah.
Show the dash cam.
This one? It won't let me.
While you're driving?
Yeah. You have to be at low speed. I think it's like under 7 miles an hour or something.
There was something I learned. I forgot what it was. Ooh,
I just can't believe we're doing it. doing it.
I love it.
Yes, I'm going slow, but you know what? It's what is it? Wednesday?
Hands free.
I'm enjoying this.
So I think you had to set that for a little higher for it to turn blue.
I think it was the road, to be honest with you.
Traffic?
No, A, it could have been the traffic conditions, but I think B, they don't, that part of the two maybe, I don't know.
This is an open highway to me.
Yeah. How do I go up with speed? This way?
Go up.
There you go.
Yep.
Okay, cool.
It goes in increments of 5, you push
Yeah.
hard.
I'll do 70.
Yeah.
I don't know where we're going, but with hands-free, it doesn't matter.
Take 2 north, or you want to take the 134, your choice.
I'll take the 2 north.
Yeah.
Look at it steering.
Yep.
Oh, man, this is great.
I love it.
This is why you spend $100K on an Infiniti. I mean, not the only reason, but... I'm just happy we got it to work.
And the cruise control is still considered the intelligent cruise control.
Right.
If the vehicle in front of you slows down, your car will slow down. The vehicle in front of you will stop, your car will stop.
Oh, road construction, hands on the wheel, it said. Wow, it noticed that. That's pretty crazy, too.
You take a picture of that?
Well, it's all being recorded.
Oh, I think that's fantastic. And you notice... Oh, still... Now it's green.
Traffic, okay. Well, so it makes you kind of put your hands on the wheel a little bit as...
Now hit it again, see what happens. Here comes that blue.
There you go. So I don't love the fact that it makes me put my hands on the wheel when I turn.
I know what it is.
What is it?
Visibility.
Yeah?
I think it notices that, like right now, we probably have 1.5 miles from the vehicle in front of you.
Right.
And I think it's saying, okay, it's safe to do it.
It's safe to do it because of
Right.
visibility.
That's what I believe.
And you see the screen here, it's seeing all the cars around us, just like a Tesla. Now, what I want to try is not looking at the road.
Go ahead, talk
Because
to
it's
me.
going to eventually yell at me, right? Because it's got the sensor. All right. So yeah.
It's going to, talk.
This is crazy
Yeah.
that I'm not looking at the road
Right.
now. It's killing me, bro. It's killing me.
It's not yelling at you yet.
It's not. It's allowing a lot of not looking right now.
Well, you're really... Turn around.
Hey, kids. I mean, it's...
Hey, Daddy, can I have ice cream?
We just got in the car!
You gotta start with me, I'm taking you home.
Oh, man. Very cool, though. Very cool. I'm glad it's working for everybody to see.
I'm happy for you. I enjoy this.
Yeah.
That just made my day.
Yeah, me too.
I'm glad you invited me for the ride.
Yeah, I'm glad you wanted to go. Otherwise, I'd just be talking to myself the whole time, so I appreciate it.
Why should they be any different?
It's true. I usually... My best friend is myself. Okay. That makes sense. Let's...
You don't want to drive in sport. It's more gas that way.
Yeah, it does.
I like standard.
Yeah.
If I need sport, I'll put it in sport.
Yeah, I get it.
I
My
like
ears are popping.
Really?
Because we're getting up some elevation right now. I'm enjoying this. I hope everybody else at home watching this, like, I'm not going to edit this. We're just going to ride out together.
I think it's fantastic.
Yeah, yeah.
But I wanted to yell at you.
Honestly, I'm not looking at it. Well, like, now I am. All right.
Okay, you look.
All right.
I'll keep my eye on the front.
Hey, everybody. Oh, it's turning. Oh, look. Look forward.
Yeah, that's what you wanted.
All right, good. It did that. Cool.
Oh, you gotta get over.
I do?
Yeah, you gotta get off.
Canyon. Do you want to take it to the canyon over here?
No.
No. Okay. That's another day. I want to do a night drive in this too because it's really nice at night. Alright, so we're going to cancel this.
I want you to go right through the light, and then when you turn, I'll get back.
Okay. You want to get some Starbucks?
You want Starbucks?
I could. Yeah, I think there's a Starbucks here.
I tell you what happened to me today.
Oh, what happened to you?
At Starbucks.
What happened at Starbucks?
I think who did I tell the story to? Oh, Devin.
Okay.
I pull in to the drive-thru,
Yes.
and there's a car around the bend. There's a truck behind that car, and I'm behind the truck.
Okay.
Let's go straight.
Yeah.
And make a long story short.
Okay.
So I'm waiting, I'm going, why isn't anybody moving?
Yeah.
And I'm ready to beep the horn.
No one's in the car.
I can't tell. There's a truck in front of me.
Right.
I'm looking in the mirror and it's a reflection. I'm thinking there's a guy in there. I'm not saying it, but after about 4 or 5 minutes, I decided to back up, get out of the lane.
Okay.
And when I got out to go around, it says remodeling. Those are all the workers' trucks. But they came around the drive-through, so you can't. I'm like 3 cars from the speaker.
No.
So I couldn't tell.
How long did you wait?
About 3 to 5 minutes.
Oh, that's messed up, bro.
It was funny.
They should block the drive-through.
They should have
with
put
some
a
cones.
sign that says,
Yeah, why do that to you?
you know.
Hey, Google, give me directions back to Glendale Infiniti.
Glendale Infiniti is 17 minutes from your location by car in light traffic.
Hey, Google, start.
Alright, where would you like to go?
Glendale Infiniti.
Glendale Infiniti is 17 minutes from your location by car in light traffic.
So, I guess I need to say it differently for that to work better?
Hey Google, fastest route. Give me the fastest route to Glendale Infiniti.
Glendale Infiniti is 14 minutes from your location by car in light traffic.
Okay.
In half a mile, continue on to California 2
Only
South.
you hear it. I hear it now.
But that didn't go in your speaker, that just went in mine.
Correct.
Yeah, yeah. So I love that.
Right.
Because if we're playing music, it won't stop the music. It'll just be right here for me. Nothing, huh? No blue.
Well, I noticed when this vehicle just came over
Right.
and a car icon came on.
Yeah.
I like that.
Shows that too.
I'll give the viewers the speed of this vehicle.
Little highway movement.
Let's have a little fun. Listen to that pickup. I love that sound.
I mean, we're at 90.
90!
3-ton SUV like that. It's set. Whoa, okay, that definitely kept me in my lane there, which was nice. Limited changing road conditions, okay. Let's see how fast we can get this thing to go and do it. We're at 80. 90's the max on ProPILOT.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah, it'll do up to 90. It's working really well actually right now. I have to get off in half a mile.
In a half mile, take exit 15B for York Boulevard.
Want to see it slow down for you?
Yeah, for sure. Down to 66, 64.
Look at that view.
I know, right?
Oh, give me a skateboard.
Do you skateboard?
No.
I have one with me
Not here, you know.
in my car.
Not this car.
Not this car.
That would have come down this hill.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto East Palmer
Little
Avenue.
downshift there.
Did you just do that?
Yeah.
Yourself?
No, I did that. So you can always change gears yourself temporarily. Like it'll eventually just go back to drive mode in a second.
Yeah, but you don't need to.
Yeah.
Turn left onto East Palmer Avenue.
This was not a shortcut.
No, it was not. I love the turn signal stock because it doesn't like click.
I got used to it.
I like it.
In the beginning, I was complaining about it.
You were?
Yeah, because I'm used to going down and having to stay down.
Yeah, it doesn't stay down.
And
So-
I like it now, 'cause as soon as the wheel touches that turn,
Done deal. Yeah, I like it. Got some good ride height here so I can see nothing's coming. Nice and safe for the fam.
we make it right here.
Make a right.
Make a left.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto East Windsor Road.
Hey Google, cancel navigation. That was fast.
Yeah.
I also love that it doesn't say like, okay, canceling. Like Siri does that and I hate it. Like just do it. Like I don't need the response, the extra blah blah blah. Is that just me being impatient? Maybe. That's all right. What am I gonna do?
Ooh. What are you looking for?
Let's get some massage on. So, I'm not really here to bash the car at all. I don't want to say anything negative about it, but getting to the massage seats, to me, that's an unnecessary step. Oh yeah, I forgot about this. How it holds you like that. That's nice.
Okay, how did you put on relaxing? I have lumbar.
Hang on.
Oh, I forgot to ask you, do we have gas?
Not now. No, we're good.
That was $9 worth.
Yeah, exactly.
I like to see it tight.
So,
There it is.
yeah. Which one did you want? Relaxing?
Yeah, relaxing.
Got the massage going?
I have it on high.
I don't know why we didn't do it the whole time. I forgot.
It's nice. It's supposed to be fast. It's not.
I don't think it has launch control.
It gives you
Ooh.
launch. Oh, that was you with the brake?
Yeah, I'm holding the brake and the gas.
I like that sound.
Yeah, because that's how launch control is supposed to work in these cars, right? You hold the brake down, mash the gas, and then you let go of the brake. But I don't think this is really designed for
Once
it.
in a while, it's okay, but it's bad for the engine.
Yeah.
Right? Oh, no spin.
No spin.
Wow, we were first one. Yeah. That was another $5.
There it is. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed our point of view driving experience.
I know I did.
You enjoyed it. Did you learn anything?
Thoroughly enjoyed it.
Did you learn anything?
Yes, Chris.
Why do you say it like that?
Because every time I go on a ride with you, I learn something.
Aw, thanks, Rory.
You're my product specialist.
Well, thanks for joining us.
Hope you invite me back.
I will. And if you do come into our branch, make sure you ask for Rory Mero. He'd be happy to help. Thanks, Rory.
Thank you, Chris. Have a great day.
You too, sir. All right, guys, another feature that's happening right now. I don't know if you can see in between here. There it goes. Starting to lower right now. So it's got parking access, which is this button right here. And what that does is when you put the car in park, as long as it stays on, like you're just idling for a second, the car will lower 2.5 inches down to make in and out access a little easier for you. You can see the wheel gap is almost completely gone in the parking stance, which I really love. Let's see where transmission Japan, engine Japan, final assembly point Japan. 90% Japanese vehicle, which is very hard to find nowadays. Everything's either Mexico or back and forth, you know, China. So it's nice to see a true Japanese car here. Look at that front end. It looks great. But guys, thanks again for joining us on another point of view driving experience. Let me know if you want more cars. Let me know if you want to see this thing at night. And yeah, have a great day.